First, open the Microsoft Word document where you want to insert the image.
Perfect.
A blank document is opened. Place the cursor where you want the image to be inserted. Click on Insert menu and Pictures, then click Stock Images. Stock Images dialog box will be opened. Choose the image which you want to insert and click on Insert button. The image will be inserted in the document. We can resize the image with the 8 handles around the image. Click on Insert menu and Pictures, then click on this device. Insert Picture dialog box will be opened. Navigate to the folder where the image is located. Click on the image which you want to insert and click on Insert button. We can resize the image with the 8 handles around the image. Picture Format menu will be activated when we click on the image. Apply border to the image from Picture Styles group. Choose the border style for the image. We can also change the border color of the image by clicking Picture Border and select the color from the palette. Hence, inserting an image in a document is completed.